To the crypto show that tricked you, and now you're here for Bitcoin Cash, and you didn't even mean to. See how that works? See if anybody comes down to this really strange chat. So come on down, guys. We are open. Welcome to the show here. We're live. I am the best crypto host of the evening, the only one that's doing a live show right now that's worth the fuck. So come on down. Be part of this great show. Be part of crypto. Be part of this community. Be part of a show that nobody watches. Really strange. So come on down, make yourself at home. Mi casa, tu casa. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. You hit here by mistake, because I got crypto stream there, and now you reached the chat by mistake, because you were Googling crypto in your little search bar, and you clicked on it, and guess what? You got smacked with Bitcoin Cash. Isn't that funny? So welcome to the show, come on down. Hopefully we'll get some people coming down to this, like I said, very strange chat. Me just sitting here looking at WorldCoin Index, basically. So come on down. We are here live on Crypto.com. AKA the Monaco scam. Come on down. I can act a fool till somebody comes down and tells me otherwise. We are live. Come on down. Just basically sitting here watching WorldCoin Index. So what a great show. You just come on here and you watch me act like a fool and, you know, look at WorldCoin Index, and it's absolutely amazing. It's totally great to be part of this crypto. So come on down. Ron, I'm sitting here on this crypto thing. I'm sitting here, I'm just on WorldCoin Index. So I mean, you see me, I'm like, I'm sitting here on WorldCoin Index trying to get people to pumped up about Bitcoin Cash, so. Welcome, we got Ron Swanson in the house, guys, ladies and gentlemen. He's now in the chat. I heard him click on the chat. So we got somebody actually here now. We got Ron Swanson, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bitcoin Cash. Welcome to the Bitcoin Cash show. You were talking crypto in the search bar and you just got somehow switched here. So welcome. Welcome. I know, it is very sad, Ron Swanson. It's even sadder that you're watching it. So come on down to the show, guys. We are live on Bitcoin Cash. And we tricked you here. So as people get in the chat, they feel a little misled. They were looking for crypto. They were typing crypto in the search bar, and they wanted, you know, they said, oh, wow, crypto live chat. We can come on down and talk with people. And then they click on it. It's literally just this Bitcoin Cash propaganda site. I mean, it's me just preaching Bitcoin Cash, forcing it onto people. So come on down. And Ron Swanson, you hit it on the head. This is sad. I know. It's extremely sad, guys, and it's even sadder that you're watching it. So come on down, guys. We are here. We're waiting to see if anybody with half a brain comes down here other than me. And a great day for crypto. We were under $100 on Bitcoin Cash, which is just phenomenal. I mean, to just see these prices go lower is just... people are calling 40, 50 bucks. I don't know if that's going to really happen. I think Bitcoin would have to go down as well. BTC have to go down to about 10 grand, which we'd be up on core at that point anyway. So... guys, we are just sitting here looking at Ron Swanson. Chad, the type of guy to steal your wallet and then help you look for it. Yep, that's me, guys. Ron Swanson hit the nail in the coffin. So he says, Ron Swanson says, Chad, the type of guy who steal your wallet and help you look for it. Exactly. Meanwhile, I'm gone to the casino, guys. So, guys, Ron Swanson is in the house. He is live watching this show. So, come on down, guys, and be part of crypto. See if we can get people in that are new to crypto. See if we can get people in here that mistakenly typed crypto in the search bar and hoped to find something good and then found this chat. So we are live. Come on down. We are on Bitcoin Cash. It's basically looking at WorldCoin Index. I mean, nothing really going on. I mean, we're just down here with people that love crypto. So, you know, some people would say this is goofy or sad. Apparently Ron Swanson thinks so. So Come on down. We are live on Bitcoin Cash. See if anybody comes down to the chat. Looks like we got 2 people. Maybe just me and you, Ron, tonight. So feel free to light the chat up, Ron Swanson. Guys, we are live. See if anybody comes down to this chat. This godforsaken place. Can we go any lower on these prices, guys? Are we going to 0? I don't know. Are you live? Yes, sir. We are live, Ron. On Bitcoin Cash or crypto, whatever you want to call it. We are live. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are live. And you are the only one in the chat, my man. Ron Swanson and your host, the monkey. Guys, we are live. Pulling up ApeCoin. So, guys, I got crypto in the title. See if we can get some people here to the chat that might not usually come. I did have a live chat titled Crypto. I did it about a week ago. I think Ron Swanson actually told me to change the name. Like try to get people to your chat. See if you can drive traffic to the chat. So I changed it to Crypto, and surprisingly, we got 61 viewers. So 61 viewers, guys, on the crypto live stream. Get anywhere from like 30 to 40 on the Bitcoin Cash live stream. Swanson's gone. I know. Thanks for coming in, man. The view helps, and hit that like button if you can. It might be too much work for you there, Ron. So thanks for coming in, and we'll see you later. Guys, I am opening this chat just to see if anybody comes down. We are live, so just trying to get on here for a bit and see if anybody wants to come down and talk about crypto and just be part of crypto, guys. That's basically the entire point. So come on down. We are live. Basically just looking at World Coin Index. I mean, other than that, I mean, I could literally just be staring at a wall. I mean, nothing off to the light. My man! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, my guy. He's going to the Litecoin stream. Moron, one word. So, Ron Swanson, get over there to Litecoin stream, guys. I do got the title, though, changed to crypto, so hopefully we'll get some people in here that usually don't come to this chat, which would be absolutely fantastic. So, Ron Swanson, guys, he was here. He has left. Unfortunately, he is trotted off to the Litecoin stream. 2 words, so maybe he's starting his own coin. So get on with you, my man. Get out of here. We'll catch you later. We are live, guys, on Bitcoin Cash. Basically, just me looking at World Coin Index, but you know, it's all the merrier when everybody's here that loves crypto. Litecoin. See, Ron. Litcoin. There you go. There you go, Ron. Start your own coin, guys. Litcoin. Compliments of Ron Swanson. Man. Polygon. So Ron Swanson made Litcoin. Kevin O'Leary is part of Polygon. Michael Saylor is part of Bitcoin, BTC. And all these people just got here. Who are these people? So, I don't know, guys. People try to jump in this stuff and then, you know, really don't have any reason to be here, in my opinion. Anybody can come to crypto, guys. I'm not biased, but don't come into crypto and, you know, you got to wait a few years before you start really get hyping up. I mean, I just don't think people should come into crypto and just expect to just be like, oh, he's here now. Kevin O'Leary's here now. Like, oh, you know, we should listen to everything he says, or you know, these people are just like have been in crypto less than me, and I still consider myself like pretty new. I'm not like brand new, but I'm still new. Been here since 2017, guys. If you're catching the stream and you haven't came down to the stream before, hope that's the idea of that is the idea of naming this crypto instead of Bitcoin Cash, guys. I'm hoping to get more people to the chat. So I've been kind of discussing it with people and trying to build this thing out. So yo, Bitcoin collab back in the house. Ron Swanson says Chad is from the FTF risk. Yep, that's me, man. I am from the risk management department, guys. Guys, we do have Ron back in the house tonight, so stoked about that. Get seeing some other people are coming in. Anxious to get his comments tonight. Ron Swanson, guys, he's a trained chemist. Like I told you guys, I met him in chemistry class. So he's not quite as dumb as me, but you know, we can be hopeful. He is in the chat tonight, so he's loaded with jokes, and he's happy to be here, guys. Guys, we got Bitcoin collab. We got Ron Swanson in the house. We got me in the house. We got, who knows we got in the house. We could have Satoshi himself. We could have, you know, any type people in this chat, checking this chat out. So come on down, be part of it. Don't be afraid. You know, don't be afraid to hit that button. Don't be afraid to click on that crypto button and just come on down, and immediately you're here. So extremely fast to do. Yo. Bitcoin collab. Glad you back in the house. Ron Swanson, thanks for sticking around. Got a couple people in the chat. So just hoping people come on here. You know, no big agenda. Just basically like I said, sitting on here on World Coin Index, just basically staring off into space. I could be looking at basically nothing, but it's really fun. So come on down, be part of the chat, and Lisk, holy shit, man! I fucking knew it. I knew it. Lisk, guys, this thing was up 10% earlier today, and it's up 40% right now. It's almost back up to $1. Check it out on Robinhood. Check it out on fucking Binance. Check it out wherever you look at it. But it is up massively, and this is one of those coins that, guys, that I've been saying for months, has an effect on this altcoin market. I mean, it's just clear as day to me now. I'm gonna see if it's really up this. Yeah, sure enough, it's up 62%. Because it was up 20% earlier, and I was watching it. It's been kind of, this is one of those coins that moves extremely blocky. I mean, like, it looks like Dogecoin always looked. Just like if you look at any exchange it trades on, it runs in these little squares. I don't know if that means nobody's trading it, or it's just all manipulated, or all just rigged. But I love seeing coins like this go up right now. And I know if you guys have been in this chat, you've heard me mention this coin dozens of times. If you've been in here since about a year ago when I started doing this second round of videos after deleting my first YouTube. Because guys, if you think this YouTube's bad, you should have saw my last one. It was literally this, but even worse. So glad nobody actually saw that. There might be a few people because it's the same chat, it's the same users, and I did have like some subscribers. I think like maybe 30 at that time. But I love to see these coins, guys, up. It's up literally 65% for the day, West Coast time, California, and I was wondering about this coin, man, because it was literally, you know, once we start seeing these just ramp up 60-70%, guys, I mean, it could mean absolutely nothing, and this coin could be down 30% tomorrow, or it could mean something. I mean, it looks like it, you know, is a good sign. So, I mean, I don't know. I'm Googling some news real quick just to see. You know, a lot of times when these coins go up, there's absolutely no news, and then like an hour later, they're trying to explain everything on why it went up. But no build-up news. I mean, we don't have any news on Lisk for like at all. The last article we had is like 2 weeks ago. So I don't know, guys. I don't own any Lisk. I mean, I'm not you know, sitting here telling anybody to buy it, but we see these coins, guys, go up like 40%. I mean, it's huge. I mean, it's good to see. So zooming out in the year, guys, we're looking at ℚ. I mean, it's up right now. Will it stay up is the question. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. So gonna go do some stuff. I want to go on. I want to just do some stuff on this chat, guys. You know, I want to look at these prices. You know, move into some maybe not some analytical stuff, but maybe just kind of see what's going out there on the news. Maybe check out some news and just see what's going on in the crypto world. You know, see some maybe you know, something we can do. You know, make this chat entertaining. Check out this Kevin O'Leary guy. I mean, really, what's going on, guys? This guy was on Shark Tank, Canadian investor, blah, 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 blah. You know, wife apparently ran somebody over with a boat, all these little stories. But let's see if it really means anything. Let's pull up some stuff and just kind of see. And we are live, so come on down. Come on down to crypto. So you guys just click on that little button and boom, you're there. So I got this video right here, guys. This is one that's got, you know, more views than anywhere. It's released 7 hours ago. So I figured we just, you know, watch it, guys. I mean, I'm getting some outside, you know, stuff going. I want people coming down to this chat. So see where it goes and go from there.
The next day, he said it was $3 billion. Given the importance of this alleged incident, the idea that SBF would be off by $1 billion is incomprehensible. If O'Leary actually believes any of this, that might make him the most gullible man in the world.
You ask me why it went bankrupt? Go to the last week. All of a sudden, in social media, CZ is asking.
Dude, stop trying to point this thing on fucking CZ. This is not a China versus white man thing. This is literally fucking Binance, bro. Stop fucking criticizing Binance.
Why would you?
I gotta rewind that, guys. This guy is a fucking dirtbag. Why do you criticize Binance? I was watching part of this video already.
$100 million.
Go to the last week.
They wanted to buy back stock, but they didn't have the
Binance.
cash on hand.
Binance
so
is the best exchange we got, guys. Just so everybody knows.
Another interesting thing is that SBF can't get his numbers straight. He first told O'Leary that the buyback cost him $2 billion. The next day, he said it was $3 billion. Given the importance of this alleged incident, the idea that SBF would be off by $1 billion is incomprehensible. If O'Leary actually believes any of this, that might make him the most gullible man in the world.
You ask me why it went bankrupt? Go to the last week.
This guy's faking it. This guy is fake right now. This is a front.
CZ is asking for another $500 million. He wants to do a block trade of FTT or the
I'm not buying this guy, man. This guy's lying.
Token of FTX. Wants it converted back to fiat. Why would you put that out there? You know it's going to push down the pressure. It's going to push down the value of that coin dramatically, and that's exactly what happened.
I'm not buying this shit, guys.
After selling its equity stake in FTX, Binance still owned about $500 million worth of FTT tokens. In early November, Binance announced their intention to sell the entire FTT position. O'Leary claims that CZ was asking for another $500 million, but this is simply not true.
Not true.
On November 6, 2022, CZ tweeted about Binance's intention to dump his entire stake on FTX. But they never asked FTX for $500 million, and FTX would have zero obligation to pay them if they did. Alameda CEO Caroline Ellison proactively offered to buy this position over the counter. Given the state of Alameda's balance sheet, it's unlikely that they could have made good on this promise unless they stole even more money from FTX depositors. CZ did not take Caroline Ellison up on the offer.
In my view, my personal opinion, these two behemoths that own the unregulated
Dude,
market,
stop throwing CZ into this. Binance has nothing to fucking do with
in
this.
terms of growth, we're at war with each other. and one put the other out of business intentionally.
Binance sold their
that's not
FTT
true.
tokens on the open market, which they had every right to do. Is it possible that Binance's FTT sale contributed to FTX's collapse? It is possible. But withdrawals from FTX were already increasing after CoinDesk released an article exposing Alameda's suspiciously large holdings of FTT. FTX was a house of cards built on a foundation of lies and frauds. All frauds collapse under their own weight eventually. It's possible that Binance's FTT dump expedited the collapse. But if this is the case, he was probably doing a favor to the investing public. The longer FTX could be allowed to operate, the larger it would grow. This would ultimately mean more investors being victimized. Kevin O'Leary appears to be shifting the blame away from SBF, putting it on Binance instead. He possibly thinks that this would be better for his public image, given the apparently close relationship that he had with the FTX founder. It's also possible that he actually believes what he's saying. He says that he believes Sam Bankman-Fried, and his perception about what happened appears to be mainly based on one phone call he had with the disgraced crypto founder. It does not appear that he
Why does Kevin O'Leary have SBF in his back pocket? What if this is all Kevin O'Leary's doing?
What happened and taking what he says at face value? The complete failure of O'Leary to do even the most basic of due diligence on FTX puts his investing acumen in serious doubt. This is a big problem for him because many of his business ventures rely on his public image and large social media following. O'Leary's brand name was extremely valuable, enough so that FTX was willing to pay him $15 million to be a spokesman. Thousands of investors and entrepreneurs actively follow him for business advice. But ever since he got involved in crypto a few years ago,
bro, he was talking shit about crypto. Look it up on Squawk Box.
To come across as. Other than FTX, one of the biggest crypto ventures that he's been involved in is WonderFi, a Canadian crypto company named after his Shark Tank persona, Mr. Wonderful. WonderFi IPO'd on the Toronto Stock Exchange this summer and has since lost 75% of its value. It is now comfortably in penny stock territory with a share price of 16 cents and a market cap of 25 million Canadian dollars. The company is losing about $10 million per quarter. With so many failures under his belt, it's hard to imagine that he could have any value as a paid spokesman anymore. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video.
It's a good video, guys. The clownish downfall of Kevin O'Leary.
Will he ever be able to rebuild his reputation?
So basically, yeah, I mean, it's bad, guys, but Binance is fine. I mean, I saw an interview, I'm trying to find it. No, maybe it's this one and it switches to Guys, we are live, so come on down. We're on Bitcoin,
so many
Cash,
issues about
crypto.
trust and credibility and integrity in this space, and I want to talk about FTX in a moment, but I want to start with what's happening at your own firm. Given the outflows this week, I saw that you said on an AMA, this is one of these Ask Me Anything, you said there's no amount of withdrawals that would put us under any pressure. But that, I think, is a very bold statement to be making. How are people?
You can't stop us, guys. You can't stop us.
Safe at this point.
So I think thanks Andrew for having me. And the well-run crypto exchanges should hold user assets one-to-one. So user deposit Bitcoin, we hold it in Bitcoin, we move to a cold wallet, we keep some in the hot wallet. And people, they sell it, now the Bitcoin belongs to somebody else, but we still hold it in the cold storage. People can withdraw 100% of the assets they have on Binance. We will not have an issue in any given day. So 100% of the users withdraw 100% of the assets, we'll be fine. This is very different for traditional financial people to understand because banks run on fractional reserves. And the traditional regulators, many of them may think that it's okay for crypto businesses to be running on fractional reserves. That is not okay. In crypto, there's no central bank printing money to bail out banks when there's a liquidity crunch. So crypto businesses have to hold user assets one-to-one, and that's what we do. It's very simple.
Okay, but let me ask you about that specifically, and I don't want to get too technical, but indulge me for a moment. When you had what seemed to be liquidity issues around customers wanting USDC, it looked, at least from this vantage point, that what was happening here could have been avoided if, and tell me if I'm wrong about this, you allowed customers to deposit and hold USDC instead of what it looked like was that you auto-converted them into your own exchange dollar. Am I wrong?
There's minor corrections. So number one is we do the auto-conversion into BUSD, which is not issued by us, which is not the exchange dollar. It's actually issued by a New York DYF licensed entity, Paxos. So the reserves are in New York. It's a stable coin. The problem we had before is we have many different types of stable coins on Binance. And Bitcoin trades against USDC, Bitcoin trades against BUSD, and the USDT, there's TUSD.
Multiple trading pairs, guys. We talk about this on the chat all the time.
It's very difficult for users to find the best price. So we said, okay, they're all stable, and then it's very difficult for users to find the best price. So we said, okay, they're all stable coins, and they should convert 1 to 1. So let's combine all of them into one, so that the users just they want to buy Bitcoin, they go to Bitcoin BUSD, and they find it. On the deposit and withdrawal, we do the conversion. We have channels to convert them 1 to 1. But the channels we have actually have to go through a bank, because to convert from BUSD to USDC, we have to sell BUSD into US dollars, cash in a bank, move it to a different bank account, and then buy USDC at a different institution. So that day, we had more users trying to buy or trying to deposit BUSD and withdrawing USDC. And we ran out of that. And the bank that does the conversion doesn't open until 6 hours later. And that's a bank in New York. So we were actually blocked. This issue was actually caused by a bank. So that's what, and stablecoin is the only one we convert. Every other asset, people deposit Bitcoin, we hold Bitcoin. People deposit Ethereum, we hold Ethereum.
Right. And you understand why I'm asking that question, because it does appear in that instance, at least, that when you said no amount of withdrawals would put you under pressure, by default, it put you under pressure. Now, whether it was your doing or some other.
Dude, stop. This guy is literally trying to still make Binance look bad, guys. I think Binance is good. I think they do have the reserves. They've literally, you gotta think, guys. Binance US is this little fraction of a turd compared to Binance Global. So we don't even have Binance here. We have Binance.us, which has a fraction of all the cryptos that are actually so the Binance, Ron Swanson says CZ actually sounds convincing. Yes, CZ sold his entire $1 million house in Shanghai to go in at Bitcoin at, I believe, one of the fucking peaks. Like, he lost money too. And he's always been it for this like peer-to-peer payment system. So he doesn't like banks either. So
the question is, longer term, would you reevaluate how you do that?
There's nothing he can do. The bank doesn't open.
We have the assets to convert. So there's no margin, no leverage. We just needed the bank to open. So the bank opened 6 hours later. It was
Dude,
fine.
CNBC looks so fucking stupid right now.
24 hours a day. Banks only work for like a few hours a day. And, and when banks are shut down, when banks are closed, you try to withdraw money, it doesn't work. That's exactly the same situation that happened. And we allow people to withdraw other stable coins onto other platforms to do conversion if they want. So there was not a liquidity issue. It was just
no liquidity issue
that was going through the bank.
In terms of the credibility of Binance, you disclosed that Binance holds about $60 billion of crypto assets. But thus far, you haven't disclosed your liabilities. And I wonder why that is and whether you will.
Yeah, so we are working with firms to do the audit the financials, liabilities, etc. Very simply, Binance does not owe people money. Binance does not have loans from other companies, from other funds. We just don't have it. You can ask any fund in the ecosystem. You can ask any VC. We actually also do not have VC investments, so we don't owe anybody any money. And we also do not have loans to other people that we depend on for our next payroll. So we are very simple, very self-contained type of organization, and we manage our cash very simply. So that's very, very different from the FTX situation, where so people who were hurt by FTX are now worried about everybody else, and they were defending FTX before, but that's why they have money on FTX. So, but just because they're bitten by one snake doesn't mean that every other animal is the same.
For real estate lead generation, YouTube.
Yeah, guys, so CZ, Binance. I think Kevin O'Leary and all these fucking little pipsqueaks from Wall Street are trying to come in here and run crypto, and it ain't happening. These guys are trying to now jump in on this stuff really fast, and yeah, they can, but they're gonna see it's not gonna turn out like they might hope. So I think Binance is good. I don't think there's any liquidity issue on Binance. I mean, I really don't. Interview. There's another interview I wanted to pull up here that I saw the other day. Let's watch this one.
People should think about you differently, though. I mean, we were talking about actually endorsements, endorsees. Obviously, Larry David was in the FTX Super Bowl commercial. Tom Brady took on his role as a spokesman. It's
being a lot nicer to Kevin O'Leary.
You're a spokesman for the sorts of the company, not of sorts, but were. It's funny. I don't know if it's funny. Some people wouldn't expect a Larry David or a Tom Brady, maybe fairly or unfairly, to either have known or understood or necessarily done all the diligence that they should have done.
But let me tell you why.
But they look at you and they think that you should have.
Well, that's interesting to differentiate me. I can tell you he's a better quarterback than I am, so there's things we do differently. But let me tell you what the theory was and why Sam Bankman-Fried was hiring all these people. He was very jealous of the accounts that Coinbase had, and he wanted to figure out how to build a retail base quickly.
Dude, are you
So it's
sucking
not crazy
Sam's
what he
dick?
did. Putting his name
I mean,
on an
seriously.
arena makes sense if you can make a brand become ubiquitous in America so that you can try and get more consumers to build that base. Maybe jealous isn't the right word, but he said they started 3 years earlier and they were way ahead of him, and he wanted to catch up. And that was the way to do it. So it's not a crazy theory. Companies advertise and they do it this way. Now, obviously, none of us would have wanted to be in this mess if we could have avoided it, but we just didn't know. And frankly, venture investing is, you can do all the due diligence you want. You're still going to get 8 out of 10 go to 0. That's been the stat since 1954 when they first started covering it in Boston.
Right.
So at the end of the day, that's the nature of investing this way. It's risky.
Just one question about the creditors, just your opinion on it, since you're trying to get on the creditors committee. If they do recover money, that money that goes back, what should the order of the creditors be? Who should get paid back first? The people who actually lost their money that they were asking them to hold, or contractors and spokespeople? Like where should that fall in your opinion?
My opinion about this is when you become an advocate for getting it back on a credit committee, you take care of the small people first, the people that lost their money I don't mean small people, I mean people that diminishment amounts inside their accounts, they're hurt the most. And so it's not that the shareholders, of which I'm included, I'm in both of these groups, I don't think we should get anything back. We're venture investors, we're big boys, we lost our money, we understand it. I don't want anything back there until the people that had money in the accounts get theirs back. That just seems fair. And I really,
Bro, what the fuck are you talking
as venture
about?
investors, we're going to get it wrong 80% of the time. And here's
I feel like
another
he's
one.
holding dog dookie
Just
right in front of my
something wrong
nose.
with sweeping somebody's account of their assets. Where is that money? That's the question I have, and everybody on the committee is going to want the same answer. And so does John Ray. This is a classic case, and he said it himself this week in front of the Senate too. This is just follow the money.
At Booking.com, finding perfect.
I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think about the
kitchen,
critique. I mean, it seems like
and of course,
I was trying to find this other video, and it was in the last
it's pretty perfect. Booking.com.
week, and I don't know why I can't find it now. It was another interview with CZ where he was saying kind of what was going on. But I guess we're good. I guess we'll just have to skip it. I can't find it. So, guys, we are live on Bitcoin, crypto something. Are you looking at World Coindex? We are live, guys. Come on down to the chat and check it out. See what you guys have been saying here. Ron Swanson. So HJ, Korean Boy J, I have no idea who these people are. So Kevin O'Leary he was on a reality television show, but he's basically a Canadian investor, an American investor, but he's just, he's one of those CNBC money people. So he doesn't work for them, but he's just a money people money guy that they're interviewing. Yeah, I didn't know. I mean, I knew about FTX, but sometimes I get lazy to do more research on crypto. All I care about is BCH, no lie. That's not necessarily a bad thing. Yeah, it looks like Ron Swanson kind of said what he was. Chad, the only reason I really come here on your live is because there's no one to talk about BCH in real life, and the most responsive person that knows his stuff. Chad, you don't have ad block? How do I get ad block? Korean Boy J, do you know? Are you getting ads while the live show is going on? It'll just stop and give you an ad. I think I got to reach maybe more viewers. I don't know how to get rid of that. I don't know that. I didn't know that was happening. That's how YouTube makes their money, guys. Probably nothing I really can do. If you're getting ads, I mean, just, you know, I know those ads suck. I'll be like watching something and something will be like, have my attention a little bit, but an ad will come on and I'll immediately justify in my head, is it worth watching 8 seconds of this ad to watch what I'm watching right now? And a lot of times I'll close the shit out. So, I mean, people probably do that with my video. They click on it and they're like, oh, they're like, look at it like, okay, they click on it and they get some dumb ad for, you know, like how to become rich overnight. And they're just like, and just click off the chat. I mean, that's, it's on Chrome extension. You got to add the ad blocker plugin. Okay, I didn't know that. Oh no, the ad right here is actually on, I think this one's actually on World Coin Index. Will it still cover it? I didn't know there was a way to do that. I don't usually get ads. I do get ads probably on World Coin Index because this is, you know, this is a very, very simple website for me to just look at prices, and it's not even accurate because of the volumes, but click the jigsaw piece, okay. All right, jigsaw piece, I'm gonna say maybe right there. If I have to watch one more Burger King ad one more time. Yeah, if you watch, yeah, man, sorry about that, I know it's fucking lame. Ad blocker, where are we at here? All right, where do I go? Settings, maybe? Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. Come on down. We are live on Bitcoin Cash, guys. Come on down. Next to the star. Okay. Jigsaw, that makes sense. Oh, I gotta download the ad blocker, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get it at some point. This is only the website I get ads though. I mean, like, I think it's just because it's World Coin Index, guys. See, there goes another one up there. Does it have anything to do with maybe just this site having ads on it? Search for ad block. Okay. Manage extensions, ad block. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. Come on down to the chat. Let us know. I don't see it, boss. Ad block. It's okay, guys. We're fine. We are fine. We are fine. We are fine. Because we're live, guys. That's the best part. So, takes 5 seconds. All right, well, where is it then? Manager extensions, ad block. Where is it? Do I see it? Am I missing it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm still here, Ron Swanson. So I don't know. No, not the 3 dot next to the star. I think I'm here, guys. So ad blocker, ad block. I don't know. Guys, we are live. We're trying to teach a monkey how to use a computer. So come on down and let me know. I just did search for it. Spelling ad all sorts of weird ways. Ad blocker. I'm hitting enter. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I'm hitting the enter button. Ad blocker, Chrome, Google. There we go. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Holy shit, all my money's gone out of my MetaMask wallet. What the fuck? Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. It's asking me for money. Which one do you guys recommend? Fuck, man. That's why I hate downloading shit. Any guys recommend any of them? Let me know. This one's asking me to pay money, so now I'm annoyed. And I almost want to keep ads because this is almost worse. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. Come on down. Yeah, it's like teaching a monkey how to use a computer. So here's my ad block, guys. Just tell me which one you guys use. I mean, that would be way better than me trying to read 20 messages on how to teach a monkey how to use a computer. So guys, come on down. Free ad blocker. We'll see if this one's actually free. If not, we will wait. We'll wait for the other monkeys in the chat to tell me what to do. HJ says it feels like Tad teaching how to chat to open up a Bitcoin wallet. The honor system. So yeah, guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. Come on down to the chat. Let us know. So maybe I'm good. Maybe it's already on there. Looks like it's on there. So yeah, it looks like we got an ad blocker. So I still think this is the only website I get ads on. As you see, there's still some on here, but this is for you guys to be able to see everything. It's a lot easier than me going to CoinMarketCap used to be good, honestly, until Binance bought them out. They kind of changed the way it's set up. I guess from an analytical perspective, if you're into a lot of this stuff, it's better, but I'm not into any of this stuff. So, top community accounts, looks like Quantum's getting some action. Maybe this will be the next coin to go up 40%, guys. Mineable coin Quantum is, I think this is new. I don't remember seeing this. Guys, let me know if you guys look at CoinMarketCap and let me know if this right here is new. This is something new they've added. I don't recognize this, but I like it a lot. Shows the most active communities right this second, you know, with Twitter and all these different things. Guys, we are live. Come on down. Glad to be here. Yeah, looks like I got an ad blocker now running, I think. I mean, is this right, HJ? Looks like it's on, right? Looks like it's blocking 3 ads, I think, maybe, on this page blocked. So appreciate that, guys. You know, people say you can't teach monkeys tricks, but I disagree, guys. I think you can. And, you know, that's why we're here, guys, to help each other out. So, guys, we're live. Come on down. Chad, the minimum wage is going up soon. $1. Is it going to be what, $16.50 now? I think it's $15.50 now, which is insane. See if it blocks YouTube ads. Yeah, I guess it did. Yeah, thanks, Korean Boy Jay. Appreciate you. That's good, man. I needed this thing. I needed this thing without ads. So great. Let's see if we can go to Trader View, guys. Maybe I think I'll still get screwed there, unfortunately, just because they kind of have their own. I don't think it blocks the ads no matter what, guys. I've had an ad blocker before, and I've still gotten ads on this site, so. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash Crypto. Let's see if anybody else watches this chat. Yeah, man, $16.50 an hour. I guess that's where minimum wage in California is going, which is crazy. Just makes you feel like you wasted all the time when you worked all those jobs. So the sushi restaurant I'm working at raised everything on the menu to $1. Oh, that's a good idea. Easy way to cut that out. Guys, we got Korean Boy Jay in the house. He got here a minute ago, so we got 6 or 7 people in the chat. I'm scared to look at this Bitcoin Cash. Looks like I got an ad right here, guys. I know that I was going to get one on... I was scared to look at this gray BCHG. This is like my worst performing investment, guys, which is the Bitcoin Cash Grayscale Holding Trust. It's just absolutely gone down. I mean, I didn't buy any here at $55. I think this was the lockup period, but I did buy some at $5. When did I start buying this crap? So this is not Bitcoin Cash, guys. This is an over-the-counter stock that follows Bitcoin Cash, but it's good to know that at least this holding trust has interest in something. See, I got a little ad down here, but I think this is just unblockable. But I'm hoping this one goes back up to $55, guys, because I'd like to eventually make money on this thing. Ron Swanson, exactly exactly what, my man? LOL, chat, I can't believe you didn't know about AdBlock. I'm glad you finally got them. Yeah, I had this, I think, you know what's funny is that first one I downloaded, I think is the one that I have on my my laptop. I got a laptop around here somewhere. But I had that same ad blocker on there. I think it came with it though. It's a Windows computer, so maybe it's different from Mac. I know sometimes they put, you know, different programs and stuff on there. Guys, come on down to the chat. Watching Lisk fall. It's fallen over 10% just while we've been in this chat, guys, which is just hilarious. I mean, we've went up to almost $1.15, $1.20. Now we came down to under 94 cents just in the matter of me talking up this chat. So come on down, guys. Maybe I will block the main ad that causes me to get booted back to the front screen. And ask to pay on TradingView. I mean, it'd be a good way to, because I do like TradingView, guys. I just don't want to pay money for it. Some things I don't want to pay money for, and it's just principle. I don't want to have access to this if I'm gonna have to pay money for it. Let's check out List though and see kind of how those candlesticks are going on there, because yippee-ki-yay, we're going up 65% up today, guys. Probably down to about 50 now. It's trading on Kraken, it's trading on Binance, so a couple people are pumping it. It's trading with Ethereum, BTC, on Kraken as well. Exchange on Binance, a couple different trading pairs on Binance, including Binance USD, so that one's probably new. I don't know if they do all Binance USD on all the coins now. Chad, do you think we'll go lower short term? I think we're gonna go up, man. I've really been saying that recently since we've hit $100. I think this thing's kind of bottomed out. I mean, if we go to 75, you know, it'll be something we deal with, but I don't think so, man. I think we're going to go up from here. A couple people in the chat seem to think we're going down to 40. I don't know that that's the case, though. I think I'd like to go 4x right now, back up to 0.025 BTC Core, which puts us at about $426 US. And that's a big jump. That puts us back up. That puts us at the bottom of the market when we had the BSV fork. And that's where I want to go up and stay. And I want to go up on Bitcoin Cash. And HJ, I know you don't care about BSV, but I want to see both of those coins go above that fork date. That way I can just see some, you know, support there and whatnot. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. Come on down. I paid for the Pro Bitcoin Collab. I paid for the Pro account of TradingView on Black Friday. Big discount. Still not worth it. Should have invested that money instead of paid for charts. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Some things I just don't want to pay for. And this is just one of them. I mean, it's good to use, but like I told you guys, I was super stoked when I found out Fidelity was getting crypto trading, because you know they're doing crypto trading, but it's only for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So unfortunately, you know, the awesome trading program that I have access to use is not going to have crypto on there, which I wish they just put the darn thing in there anyways. I don't know what it is to do that, but it couldn't be that hard to, you know, get these, I don't know if they're APIs, I don't know what they are, but the links to these trading pairs on there. But with time, probably I'm sure Fidelity is going to be having crypto on their exchange. It's a great way for them to make money if they want dollars or crypto. Guys, Fidelity's been mining crypto out in Texas since like 2014. Might be 2013 actually. They've been mining crypto out in Texas for quite a while, like almost a decade. So you know, there's articles on that. They're hard to find, but I have read them. Ron Swanson, Webull is pretty sweet. Free. Oh, Webull, yeah, guys. So it looks like I'm still getting this ad right here. See, it's gonna revert me back to the main page. But I'll just go like that, and boom, we're back. Does Webull give you an access, Ron Swanson, to Bitcoin Cash is not on Fidelity. It's just gonna have Ethereum and BTC Core, unfortunately. They said they're gonna add more cryptos, and even on those two cryptos, you don't even get a wallet. So you're just basically letting them hold it. So I mean, I don't, you know, that's how Robinhood started out too. So maybe they'll be able to move it off, you know, give you wallet access and let you move it off to another hot wallet or something, or cold wallet if you want. But does Webull give you access? Are you able to send your crypto off Webull, Ron Swanson? Do you know? Because there's a lot of places, guys, you can buy crypto. Webull has crypto and great charts and whatnot. Okay, good to know, guys. Webull, I don't know if we can go to their desktop version, but we're checking out. I mean, if we can get a free trade features, crypto. So it looks like there's crypto wallets on. So I guess you can send crypto, it looks like, off Webull. So that might be a good market or a good place to buy crypto and, you know, send it off. I mean, you're gonna have to buy it from somewhere. So Ron, is this the Ron Swanson says, I have only traded options on Webull and it seems to work fine. Okay. So guys, looks like this isn't gonna give us the access we need. Maybe because I'm not a member. Maybe I have to be a Webull member to get access to the actual charts. But you know, I can always pull up a chart, guys. I know this World Coin Index is pretty basic, but the reason I do that is because a lot of times these damn cryptos don't follow any kind of route. I mean, what is this? Now we got metal. This was a payment card program, or a payment card coin that was trying to make, or they actually were trying to make, I think they did make a crypto card, you know, like a payment card. And this coin was on Binance. It's one of those coins that just like pumps randomly, and looks like it's doing that again tonight. I mean, see, it's got the same thing going on here. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. What the fuck is Webull? Webull is just an exchange for stocks and apparently crypto. I know they sell crypto, or they knew that you could buy crypto from there, but it looks like we just checked it out. I guess you do get an access to a wallet, which is pretty cool. So I guess these brokerages are do crypto bubbles. Crypto bubbles, okay. CryptoBubbles.com, or what is it? Here's crypto graffiti.info, guys. People putting money on the blockchain. Looks like a lot of little trades, and I guess this is Chinese, so I guess people are buying, looks like BSV on little Chinese apps. So it's kind of cool to see they can actually still get crypto, even though that it's banned. So they can still get it. It looks like on their chats. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. Come on down. Guys, we are live. Come on down. Crypto bubbles. Let me know what that is. Guys, come on down. Take a quick little break here. I'll be back in just a second here. Glad everybody's in the house. We are live on Bitcoin Cash, you guys. We are live. Zaza break. Wow. What is this? Yeah, this might be a little much for me, man. I might think I'm permanently in watching Christmas time here. Guys, I think I do have a Webull account. I just looked it up on my phone there already. I had one. I think I started one of these a while ago. Pretty sure my brother had me set up one of these, and I think you get like a free stock or something like that. Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash. Come on down. We are live here. See, this thing might be good for our chat here, and so yeah. Alright guys, let me know what's going on here. Is there a way I can get to the I know, I was talking about you earlier saying that, Korean Boy Jay. I was talking about, I think you said it was going to go down to 40 or 50 bucks, huh? I remember you mentioning that. I couldn't remember who it was, but I think it was you and a couple other people, man. You guys are thinking it's going to go down to 50. See, I'm still getting ads down here. I don't understand. It's all good, guys. I'm not trying to get you guys to solve my computer issues, but looks like I'm still getting ads down here. I kind of want to own FTT just as a joke. Well, FTT, to be fair, has been going up 30, 40, 50% in the last couple days. Not going to lie. Like, I mean, I don't know about just this week, but since it crashed, it's been going up, and like there's times where it's gone up 40, 50% when it was the only coin. And Binance Coin too was going up. And guys, Binance Coin is not down. Do not believe. See, there's another ad. Yeah, Binance Coin is up. You know, I think we looked at it the other day. I think it's up like what, 20x from where it was for a majority of its time. At around like $7 to $15, it's like 250 bucks now. People are talking about Binance Coin going down. It's like, dude, are you guys retarded? Binance Coin's up like 20x, even though it's down from 600 US. I mean, it's still way up, guys. I don't understand where these people get their news. 50 would be awesome. I don't think so, guys. I think you guys are wanting it to go down more, but oh, just the side ads. Okay, thanks for that, Ron. Yeah, I mean, definitely more down. I don't think so, guys. Honestly, I really don't. And it's not just because I have crypto. We're seeing breakouts on some altcoins. I mean, we've been seeing it on BSV, which, I mean, has absolutely nothing to do with the Bitcoin Cash unless you want it to. And for me, I know it does, guys. I mean, I know Bitcoin SV. There's something going on here with SV and BCH, guys. I'm telling you, both of these coins need to go up for there to be, you know, a rally of these Bitcoin forks. And I think we're going to see it here. I think we're going to see. I mean, we saw it on Lisk right today, 40%. Guys, looks like we got 6 people in the chat. Not bad. Not a lot of people here, but at least we can have a, you know, casual dialogue and actually read people's messages. Okay, if not 50, how about 70? I don't think it's gonna go that low, guys. I think you like want it to really bad because you have money and income coming in where you can buy Bitcoin Cash. But I'm telling you, like, we've been getting, look at the 3-month on, we've already recovered on BSV completely. We're back up almost to 50 bucks. Now, what does this have to do with Bitcoin Cash? Well, for the last couple years, most of these coins have followed a similar pattern. You know, Dash, Bitcoin Cash. You know, there's been a few coins that have taken a little bit different pattern, like Zcash, but for the majority of these coins, including Bitcoin Cash, they've kind of followed this this same kind of pattern since I would probably say March of 2020. You know, since February they crashed, but you got to remember BSV went up equivalent to 2.5 Ethereum. It went all the way up to give you guys a real number here. I think it went up to 600 one day, but I don't think it was that day it went up to 600. Maybe it was. Bitcoin SV. They got it something weird on here. BACHSV. Okay, yeah, there we go. So yeah, it went up all the way to, it went up to 600, but it's only saying 440 on here because it was such a small time run. It went up here, but this is when the market was like going down. Remember? February and shit. This is when all this stuff crashed. It crashed too, but it was one of the coins to go up like right here when nothing else was up in January. Went up to like 600. I know it only says 400, but it did go up to 600 just for a little bit of time. So this is where we all talk about, well, Bitcoin Collab says, hey, I bought Bitcoin Cash at 8,000 on Coinbase. I'm gonna put the screenshot on the BSV blockchain on Graffiti Info and go look at it and have it on there because for these short moment spikes, guys, I'm telling you, like BSV hit 600 just like Bitcoin Cash hit 8,000. Nobody saw it, but there were people that did see it for a brief moment. When Bitcoin Collab bought Bitcoin Cash at 8K, he probably was the person to buy it at 8K. That was it. I mean, it goes up so fast, guys, and then like there's incremental buys, and I mean, you can see a coin be $600 for 15 minutes, and 15 minutes later it go back down to 400. It doesn't reach 600 again for 4 or 5 years. That's not uncommon in crypto. It's happened on BSV. We went up to 600 right here. There was some conference going on with BSV, and I think in the Middle East. And while the conference was going on, this thing went up, and people in the conference were like, whoa, what the hell's going on? They're sitting in the conference, and this thing's going up like from 900 to 600. 100 to 600. Did like a 5 or 6x. So, yeah. I don't think the prices are going lower, personally, guys. I mean, not if we're going to see, and the reason I say that on dollars, and strictly on dollars, is because the altcoins we've been seeing recently have been going up. We saw Digibyte up, we saw Lisk up. We've seen some of these coins up recently, and usually they've been kind of following each other for a while. There's been this kind of general pattern. Not exactly. There were some pumps on Zcash and some other coins, but for the most part, they're kind of, this general trend down. Is this Fred again? Who's Fred? Sorry. Bitcoin Collab, I don't know who Fred is, sorry. Not sorry, but yeah, I don't know. Clarify who Fred is. I'm not sure who's Fred. I don't think we have a Fred in here, do we? Oh, maybe not. I thought it was Fred again at first. Fred Coin? Guys, we are live on Bitcoin Cash, just watching the general trend on these cryptos, hoping one of them starts going up. I'd love to see List tomorrow up like 200-300%, guys. That would start my day off right if I could see some of these altcoins really take a lead here, because it's going to go up. It's not even going to show up on this chart. It's got to go up to $3 for it to even really matter here. I mean, these things have crumbled really. I don't know what people were thinking with Lisk right here, but a whole year of 10, 14 cents, 30 cents, and then just boom, 35 bucks. Fred again is a DJ. Oh yeah, guys, this is just a live. I just play this one because it's live right here. So I just love not knowing what kind of music's going to be playing, and I don't think I get copyrighted on this either because it's live and it's being mixed in. So I'm kind of bypassing that little copyright thing, at least for now. You guys just can click on my channel one day and it'd just be completely gone. But yeah, guys, I mean, I'd love to see lists go up like 200-300%. Guys, I'm gonna take off. I see some people are leaving the chat. It's already almost midnight here, so gonna take off and unwind and kind of relax over here. So anything else in the chat, guys? You guys are you guys good on all this stuff? I mean, if we see Lisk and some of these other altcoins go up like 200-300%, but I mean, we might just see like, we saw Dash up 20% the other day, DigiByte up 20-30%, you know, and then they kind of fade down, so it's not really, you know, too exciting when it doesn't continue. But if we wake up and we see like, I mean, DigiByte, you know, still kind of up, but one of the cheapest cryptos. I believe this is one of the, there's one more crypto that's a little bit cheaper than DigiByte, I believe, for a transaction rate, guys. This is a proof of stake coin, though. It's not a mineable coin. Oh, it is mineable, I'm sorry. It's a multiple algorithm coin, so yeah, this is mineable. I completely apologize for saying it wasn't mineable. We've seen this coin a billion times. I don't know why I said it was not mineable, but it is. This is like the cheapest. One more coin. I don't know if it's Nano. Which one is it? There's one more coin that's cheaper to send. But again, guys, this is like, you know, how low can you go type thing. So I mean, look at this on Core. Has not reached it back up here. We will see. All right, guys, that is it. Nano is mineable too. So I believe Nano is the cheapest transaction rate out of any coin, even Bitcoin Cash, even BSV, even DigiByte. I believe it's the absolute cheapest coin to send. But it's Nano. I mean, it's all what you like, guys. You know, it's all what community you like. So, guys, I do got my QR code in the top right corner. You know what I like, so send your boy a micropayment. Use the network. It won't cost you any money, guys. And for me personally, I don't consider it. I think there's a word for it where people send such a small transaction. They call it like kind of like using the network or cluttering the network for unnecessary transactions. But I don't believe all that crap. My wallet lets me send all the way under a penny. I can send like you know, like 1/100th of a penny, I believe, or you know, maybe even a little bit smaller. So use the payment network. It's always fun just to like send me a payment. I mean, you literally scan it, you can send me under a penny, send it, and you know, you get to really experience the good stuff. I mean, anything under $1, guys, you couldn't do. I think Bitcoin transaction was like $1. Let's see what it is. Current transaction rate. Because I'm curious, I haven't looked at it in a while. Last time I saw it was like $1.30 transaction fee. So yeah, it's about $1.10 to send BTC right now. So a lot of the payments I get, guys, wouldn't even be possible unless you're, you know, for one, you're not going to get it super quick. You'll probably get it, you know, within a few minutes, but just because nobody's really using it right now. So guys, we are live, so if you catch us on the live show, it's great. If not, we will catch you next time. Have a great night. Bye-bye.